أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Hey everyone, Mariam here, and I'm excited to share that we've officially moved out of my sister's place and now have found our new home. Hey guys, we're moving in on our new house. Kaya ngayon, we're looking for some stuff. And then, of course, minsan mapamahiin tayo. So,
yeah.
Ano mga kailangan? Pag mag-move in, ang unang dadalhin sa ay, let's see. Ano ba?
Bubuhatin ko to.
May rice, sugar, bulak. Hindi ko lang para saan to. At saka, tubig daw. Kailangan Evian.
Sobrang mayaman siya.
Kailangan Evian. Yung water. Ang
Tapos,
arte.
pati pitchel. Kailangan
pula. Kailangan pula yung pitchel. Ayun. So, that's our first step. Hi! Welcome to our house. Sure. Kaso wala pang bed. Okay. Can you give us a little bit of your time and have a house tour?
Guys, follow me. So, when you enter, there's these stairs. When you go up the stairs, you first see this big open space. This is the living room. The windows are my favorite. I love the shape. Only the windows.
Yes, it is a big window.
Over here is the dining room. It's like one open space. It looks very nice. And then you go here, and then here's the kitchen. It's very beautiful too.
Say hi.
Hi.
Double door fridge.
It's very up to date and new, which is nice. The stove here and the
Dishwasher.
I just love the color.
Di ba ganun ba talaga?
I love the color of this kitchen. It's very bright and it's like homey, and it's just the right size for 4 people. And then you go here, and then when you open this door, there's a big patio, and then there's a backyard there too.
Yeah, you can go downstairs to the backyard.
And then there's this closet. It's for food. Pantry.
Closet for food.
And then this is another pantry. The kitchen is really beautiful. So many cabinets. And then you go here. Closets here that you can put your shoes and your coat. The closets.
Actual closet. You can put your coats there maybe.
And Atian has a lot.
I have lots.
And over here's the first room. It's very nice and spacious too. It's going to be
Ati Isang's.
It's
Yeah.
nice. We want to replace the light too now. And there's also closets there. And then over here, you have temperature control.
Thermostat.
And then this one is another room. This one is really nice. If I were to live here, I would choose this room because it's just the right size.
This is Mama's room actually. It's close to the washroom. That's why it's perfect for her.
And then that's the washroom there.
Master bedroom.
Oh, there.
Oh.
This is also a duplex. If you go down here, you'll see another set of stairs. And at first I thought it was leading to the basement, but it actually leads to here. This is where the washer and the dryer is. Oh, interesting. Very nice. And very convenient. Guys, that's it for the house tour. Maybe we'll come back. The whole place is furnished.
Yes. Hopefully next week.
Mattress cover ba yun?
Testing ng kama. Ano? Tingin mo?
Wait.
At least medyo mura yan.
Parang Parang delikado.
Dito na lang, ito na lang.
Hindi pa din. Hindi pa ba kay mother? Ganun daw yung kama ni Isang. Di ba na-try ko? Okay na.
Ito, Abi. 6-piece queen set. May kasama na yatang mattress. 1498 kasama to. Di ba? Dresser. Tanong mo to. Good deal na to.
Actually, yung 498, ito, at saka yung bed frame.
Hindi kasama mattress?
Wala pang mattress dyan. Laging walang mattress.
Ano tong MR?
Ha?
Ano tong MR?
Mirror.
Mirror.
3-piece bed.
Sabi ko nga, hindi
And
mattress.
Gulay? Ano pa?
Or shopping.
Hey, ano pa?
Anong klaseng video ba gusto mo?
Ano lang, documentary ng aking pag-iyak.
Sige.
Ng mga struggles.
Action! Iyak na.
So we're here at Costco because we're shopping for our first home. Kailangan ng paminta, asukal.
Oo, tao. Ang buhay mag-asawa.
Wala pa palang toyo suka. Meron ba hindi?
Wala dito yun. Ang buhay asawa ay hindi parang mainit na kain.
Ngayon lang, tignan mo, napaka-excited ni Madam.
Kitang-kita niyo naman po na excited siya. Turo ng turo.
Mahilig sa pinili yung asawa ko.
Gigilingan na lang ni Ate Yam yan.
Nguyain ko na lang muna yung...
Ganyan ka na, gigiling ka lang. Isang giling naman dyan.
Ano to? Presyente? Ano? $60.
Ano ka, Carl?
Ang laki kasi.
Iniwan nyo na yung cart. Ano na? She's coming.
Lean beef. Halal. Kailangan halal kasi Muslim, syempre. Pakita mo naman yung haul. Ay, mamaya mag-ano kami. Unboxing ng grocery.
Unboxing. Yan.
Tapos, we're gonna...
Asawa pa mo.
I want divorce.
Pakasal pa mo. Kung nag-anak ka na lang, di masaya ako.
Kaya nga nakasingil pa sana ako.
May child support pa sana tayo. May pamasko ka na, may child support pa. Di sana yung grocery natin, tipid na.
O kaya sasama ko na lang siya sa kalsada.
Tapos naka-maternity leave ka pa ng 1 taon.
Kaya it's a good deal.
It's time.
Ha? Saka na lang.
It's time for a child. Turo ng turo. Buong buhat. Si Madam.
Buhat pa mo.
Ito ba yung size na?
Wala pa nga tayong basurahan.
O sige na.
In case of emergency hunger ng kapatid mo, yung kapatid mong mahilig magtinapa. Ako, kailangan ko lang ng tinapay at ng lactose-free na gatas. Magbubuhay na ako.
Ibabawas ka pa sa
Oo,
Lista ko to ha. Alam mo na.
Sige, lista mo. Wala naman akong pambayad.
Kasi parang namamahalan pa. 70? Oh, mahal. Okay na to.
Ito, Charlene nga. Maganda
Ang
to.
mahal? $30?
Kasi 21. Durex.
Euros? Ayan.
Hindi, buka. 2 years naman yan bago maubos. Kumuha ka na.
Uy! $30 to. Saya-saya talaga. So, nandito na tayo sa cashier. Let's find out.
Ba't ang ganda ng camera?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Magpo-focus sa unfocus. Sa'yo hindi masyado kanina.
Talaga? Anong settings?
Naka-ano lang, flat.
Yes, please. Ayun, may box din pala. Iba-box nila kasi madami.
Hindi, wow.
Wala na raw ko. Wala na daw po. Ngayon lang ako naging masaya sa grocery ko. Hindi akong bugay. Ayaw mo yan. Nasa akong hindi tayo. Bigyan kita, sabihin mo cash yung $10.
Pwede nga po. Cash po yung $50.
Wala akong may cash ka.
Meron naman. Sabi ko na kasi. Hello. Ito po. Wala, hindi ko dala yung card. Wala din talaga.
In conclusion,
Ano nangyari ka? Wala akong pambayad.
Hindi rin pwede visa, di ba? Oh. Wala talaga. Na kay mama kasi, sabi ko talaga nakalimutan ko kasi cellphone ko.
Anong pambabayad ko ngayon?
Cellphone ko sana.
Meron ka Mastercard?
Ha? Meron.
O, di ba? Ikaw din yan.
siguro ka na nga.
Hoy, bayaran mo ko.
O, mamayaran kita. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Kailan?
Next year daw.
12 gifts.
Bayaran ako mamaya. Wala. Mali pa yung pin ko. Kuya talaga. Kala ko naman.
Wala, mali talaga.
Wala, baka mablock ako.
Hindi mo na lang siya interest.
Oo, kasi may interest.
Gutom ako.
Wala
Hindi na pala umuulan eh. Ayun, may rainbow na oh. Wow, it's a sign. Te, It's a sign. Hindi ko na ito babayaran. Kasi may rainbow.
Kukulitin kita pag di mo ko binayaran ng Friday, ah. You have a deadline.
There's a rain. Tignan mo naman ang ginrocery mo. Ang huli, ikaw din ang magbayad.
Oh, tige.
Hala, kasha pa?
Kasha.
Paano ba?
Basta may due date ka na until Friday.
Sige. Hello,
guys.
Hi, guys. Ito yung housewarming gift ni Madam. Coffee maker. And then we also have the microwave. Ito yung binili ko yun sa marketplace. 100. Teka, yan na natin. Yan. 100 lang to.
Pindutin mo lang yung on.
Magkakape tayo. Tsaka. And then, asa na yung isa? Instapot. This one. Pressure cooker. Because we need that. Okay, so, let's do a haul. We bought an LG TV. 86 inches. Kasi sale siya. At nabudol ako. Then ito, nabili namin sa Best Buy. We bought it in Best Buy. Tapos we have, of course, paper towel. Tissue paper, trash bag, unan. I also bought this. Ano to? Oscillator. Fan. Okay. Now, we're making some coffee kasi lahat hungry na. Wow! Binyagan! Parang mabagal siya, te. O gutom lang ako. In-unbox mo na rin yung kutsilyo?
Eh, kasi nandito na rin lang. Dinilagay ko na.
Ikaw talaga, bahay mo to.
Bahay ko to. This is my house. Ayoko nang mabagal ang kilos. Babagal-bagal kayo.
Ito, binili namin sa Costco yung mga essentials. Merong onion, pepper, pang steak, pink salt, social pink salt. Di ka nabibili ng salt na normal lang, mother. Ayan na yun. Cornstarch.
Oh, di tapos na yung kutsilyo mo.
Scotch Brite. Don. Bumili kami yung malaki. Oo. Lumipat ka lang ng slide. Egg. Butter. Paprika. Pang laundry.
They're very busy. Great, Clarence, do a dance. Do a dance. No, do a dance. Oh my god. Give me the receipt. We'll stop it for now.